Welcome to the Fashion Automobile Museum, a unique exhibition in the world, a global cultural space where the traditional concept of the museum is broken. Our essence is based in three main factors. Behind me, you can see the relationship between the automobile as a work of art with the unique splendor of fashion, and of course, the golden tree as an example of design in every corner. But we also bring clear messages from our contemporary society to the young and the new generations, such as the protection of natural environment, the defense of animal rights, the freedom of thinking and behavior. Presenting almost 100 vehicles from the end of the 19th century until today, with one of the most emblematic collections of iconic cars. Masterpieces that contribute to the automobile history present in so many Hollywood movies and in the dreams of our human culture and imagination. Hundreds of luxurious fashion masterpieces from the most famous brands like Chanel, Dior, Gucci, Givenchy, Versace, Dolce & Gabbana, Prada, Balmain, and many others. A place of extravagant colors and astonishing mystery. Within 10 different themed spaces, we start our visit in Belle Époque. In the beginning of the automobile industry, from the end of the 19th century until World War I, the first group of car owners started to request their cars to be more comfortable with an addition of decoration details. Those owners were all coming from high-class society, and they often went to places like Moulin Rouge. Two extraordinary pieces stand out among this group of 12 beautiful pieces. Here, we can contemplate the same car model that was shipped into the Titanic, which featured in Leonardo DiCaprio Hollywood blockbuster. And to finish the tour, what about our Louis Vuitton car, decorated with original luggage, including one very rare in crocodile skin. This period began in 1920, also known as the Roaring Twenties, due to the euphoria caused by the end of the war and the exceptional economic prosperity. This decade brought changed behavior, such as the liberation of fashion and the growing emancipation of women, who began to drive these automobiles as an expression of elegance and seduction. The golden age of the automobile. This decade is identified with the artistic expression known as Art Deco. This new style is rich, creative, and innovative, and reaches his maximum expression served by the best artists who filled vehicles with aesthetics, luxury, and elegance, thus creating authentic masterpieces. A unique set of models are aesthetically advanced and ahead of their time, created with only one goal in mind: be the center of attention. Avant-garde, exotic, eccentric, extravagant, and futuristic, authentic rolling sculptures. A Hollywood-esque collection with the most impressive models of American culture. Standing out is the Cadillac Collection, a maximum exponent of the 50s and an icon of style and popularity. The car that could have changed the world. We exhibit models which were already used on the road 100 years ago: steam, electric, and propelled cars. We compare them with prototypes conceived and created only for the museum: the solar car, the hydrogen car, and the compressed air car. And we must ask ourselves, Could it be that we lost a century?
Now, we are almost at the end of our tour. We say almost because we are always exhibiting new projects. It seems that it never ends. We are also a business center with tremendous potential, a special place for events as corporate hospitality, business meetings, gala dinners, fashion shows, and so on. We can generate billions. You have our email. Because we only make extraordinary things.